What's up guys, Luis here from Yugatech, and HONOR's latest smartphone, the HONOR X9a 5G, has been making the rounds online for being dropped to the ground, thrown onto tile, and even being run over by a car, all while seemingly leaving without a scratch. While the phone's build looks solid, we're curious to find out whether the HONOR X9a 5G as a smartphone is just as good as its durable display. This is our review of the HONOR X9a 5G. To start, we want to clarify something we mentioned in our earlier hands-on with the HONOR X9a 5G. In our hands-on, we mentioned that this sensor on top of the device was an IR blaster. Turns out, the sensor we see right here is an ambient light sensor instead, something we confirmed with our friends from HONOR. With that out of the way, let's start with the design and construction. For design, we have to give HONOR major props. The X9a 5G looks and feels super premium with its frosted glass design, metal frame, and curved screen edges. We wouldn't blame you if you thought the X9a 5G was a flagship device. Just look at it. On the hand, the HONOR X9a 5G has some good weight to it, with the curved screen also making it look like an S22 Ultra or a Xiaomi 12. Smartphones that are much more expensive than this one. As mentioned earlier, the HONOR X9a's highlight feature is its super tough curved display. HONOR says that the X9a 5G's display is the strongest smartphone screen yet, with deeply reinforced glass that can supposedly withstand over 900 megapascals of pressure. While I personally wondered how useful the durable display is in everyday use, I actually enjoyed being able to use the device without worrying about any scratches on the screen or laying it down on the table. The X9a 5G was the first phone I could actually see myself using without a case. From our testing, the X9a 5G can easily survive drops from 5 feet on wooden, tiled, and even concrete surfaces without getting a single scuff on the screen. We do have to note though, the reinforced glass only applies to the screen itself and not to other parts of the phone. A few days of use, we noticed that there was a small dent at the bottom of the X9a's aluminum frame. You may want to be a bit careful if you want to test out the X9a 5G's durability yourself. The model we have here is the beautiful emerald green color, which has a nice gradient and frosted glass effect that definitely adds to the premium vibe of the X9a 5G. For the display, the X9a 5G sports an absolutely massive 6.67-inch Full HD Plus curved OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 300Hz touch sampling rate. It's an incredibly sharp screen that produces vibrant colors and provides respectable brightness with good visibility outdoors. While some may dislike the curved screen edges on the X9a 5G, we can definitely appreciate HONOR including it here, especially since the X9a is coming at a mid-range price, something that we'll get to a bit later. We're also happy to report that the X9a 5G does a good job of rejecting accidental touches when using its curved screen edges. The X9a 5G's 120Hz refresh rate is fast and smooth, making navigation and scrolling in apps a really fluid experience. We also love the fact that the X9a 5G's high refresh rate screen can dynamically shift between 120 and 60 Hz, which is probably a big reason for the X9a 5G's battery performance that we'll get into in a bit. For audio, the X9a has a single downward-firing speaker at the bottom that produces clear sound, good clarity, and can reach a respectable amount of volume without distortion. It is a shame, however, that the device doesn't have an earpiece speaker at the top, especially since the bottom-firing speaker can easily be muted with a finger or your palm. It's probably one of the corners HONOR had cut to get to the X9a 5G's price, so we can't really knock them for that. Otherwise, watching movies, YouTube, TikTok, and Netflix on the HONOR X9a 5G is a really good experience. For the camera, we're greeted with what HONOR calls its Matrix Star Ring camera system, which houses the phone's triple camera setup. And it's definitely a standout feature of the phone. I mean, just look at it. Personally, I love the symmetrical design that the Matrix camera setup provides, and it's a refreshing change to all the generic camera setups found in most smartphones these days. Inside the ring, you'll find the X9a's 3 rear cameras, a 65-megapixel f1.8 main, a 5-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel f2.4 macro. We also have an LED flash at the bottom of the matrix ring. In terms of photo quality, this is probably where the X9a 5G falls a bit flat. In good lighting, the X9a can produce decent to good images. However, we did observe that the X9a 5G's camera tends to overexpose and bump the saturation a bit too much to our liking. The same is true for the device's video quality, which shoots good enough footage provided you have enough light. For low light, the X9a 5G struggles as it has a hard time capturing detail without good lighting and produces pretty grainy photos in challenging conditions. If you like taking photos or consider yourself a hobby photographer, the X9a 5G is probably not the phone for you. But for the occasional photo and video that you're gonna post on social media or to capture your memories, the X9a 5G will definitely serve you just fine. For software, the X9a comes with HONOR's Magic UI 6.1 based on Android 12. Magic UI features a design that's reminiscent of iOS with its boxy and larger than usual icons and pretty loud color scheme. HONOR does preload the X9a with a bit of bloatware such as its HONOR Store, HONOR Health app, and Game Center. These apps, however, can easily be uninstalled, so there's no problem at all. Magic UI is fast, responsive, and provides a good variety of customization options, such as being able to change your home screen notifications and having some really good-looking always-on displays. I especially like this classy-looking clock that comes pre-installed as an always-on display. My one gripe with Magic UI is that you can't swipe down from the home screen to bring down your notification panel. Swiping down will only open HONOR's built-in search app and there is no current way to change it. This makes it a bit difficult to check your notifications with the X9a 5G's large screen. Otherwise, Magic UI is a good Android 12 skin that is more than usable in 2023. For performance, the HONOR X9a 5G is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage, or 8GB of RAM with either 128 or 265GB of internal storage. Even if the Snapdragon 695 isn't the highest-end chip from Qualcomm, it's still a pretty solid performer. Using the X9a felt smooth and snappy for the most part. There were occasional hiccups here and there, but the device's 120Hz display definitely helped. For gaming, the X9a performed surprisingly well. It was able to run games such as Call of Duty Mobile and Mobile Legends without any issues. If you want to see a full rundown of how the X9a performed in benchmarks, be sure to check out our full written review. We do have to point out though that when you play games in landscape mode, the speaker grill at the bottom, as we mentioned earlier, can easily be muted. And no, unfortunately, the X9a 5G does not have a headphone jack. You might want to keep a set of Bluetooth earphones on deck when you want to play your games. For connectivity, the HONOR X9a 5G has LTE, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. It has an under-display fingerprint sensor for biometrics and can house 2 SIM slots at the same time. The fingerprint sensor is good and can read my finger 8 out of 10 times. For battery, the HONOR X9a 5G is an absolute champ. It has a 5100 mAh battery that's capable of being charged with an included 40-watt fast charger. I actually had the HONOR X9a 5G with me on the way to and during HONOR's grand launch of the phone at Tagaytay City. I had a 3-hour-long bus ride on the way to the event and I had both my personal phone and the device here with me. I was getting a bit of battery anxiety as my personal phone's battery was draining fast and the power bank I brought with me didn't have the compatible ports to charge my phone. And after an hour and a half, my personal phone eventually died. Luckily, I had a SIM card removal tool in my bag and thought, okay, let's fully switch to the HONOR X9a 5G. I was honestly amazed at how the X9a 5G's battery fared. It lasted the whole trip to Tagaytay with 5G on the whole time, with me using it to stream music, browse social media, check email, and play some games. All of this was with the high refresh rate screen turned on and the brightness turned up to 70 to 80% while being in transit, and the network antenna probably working harder than usual since it had to get a signal while we were traveling. Not only that, but during the event, my personal phone once again suddenly couldn't use any mobile data, which I planned to use to cover the event. So I ended up using the X9a as a mobile hotspot for 3 straight hours, and the battery didn't even break a sweat. After the 3-hour event, the X9a only lost around 10% with the whole night of being my mobile hotspot. The phone didn't overheat or experience any battery drain during standby too. It's safe to say my battery anxiety had completely faded away as the X9a 5G soldiered on with no problem. And the strong battery life continued with my regular testing of the phone, easily lasting a good day and a half of moderate to heavy use. Not to mention the fact that the X9a 5G includes a 40-watt charger that quickly topped up the device in an hour or less. The X9a 5G is definitely a great choice for those who want to get rid of battery anxiety and want a device that could last a whole full day of usage. The HONOR X9a 5G's durable display, amazing design, and 5100 mAh battery, it's undeniable that it's a pretty solid phone. But we think that the X9a 5G's best feature is its price. Retailing for only 16,990 pesos for the 8GB and 256GB model, the X9a is simply in a class of its own with the features it brings. While it doesn't have the best camera quality out there or the best speaker experience, you simply cannot find a better package than what the HONOR X9a 5G has to offer, especially at this price. Personally, if I didn't love taking photos, I could easily see myself daily driving the X9a without any problem. We highly recommend it. So that wraps up our review of the HONOR X9a 5G. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button and leave us a comment down below on what your favorite thing is about the HONOR X9a 5G. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest videos. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok too. And visit yugatech.com for more of your favorite tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Luis of Yugatech, signing off.